Who's this one right here?
My baby.
Okay, and the next one?
And Chua. And Brown. And Mommy. And Baby. And Daddy.
And Daddy?
Yeah.
What is your baby's name?
Baby.
Baby?
Yeah.
What's the baby's last name?
Baby Brown.
Oh, okay. How old is your baby?
1.
1. How old are you?
This.
3.
Yeah.
How old is Mommy?
I know. 1.
1? Okay. How old's Daddy?
What is Daddy's name?
What's Daddy's name?
No, what's Daddy's name?
Daddy's name's Kyle.
No. What's her first name?
Daddy's first name's Kyle.
No, what's Kyle? What's Kyle for me?
How old is Kyle?
Yeah.
32.
Did you do it like this? Like this?
That's number 2, yeah, after the 30.
It's what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're 3.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me again, who are those people?
Daddy, and Baby, and Kayla, and my baby.
Where's Mommy?
Right there.
How come Mommy doesn't have hair?
Oh, I said Mommy. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Here. And baby. This.
Uh-huh.
And this.
Daddy has hair?
Yeah. And me. And my baby.
Good job.
My baby.
Uh-huh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.